So I'm going to tell you about the time where I embarrassed myself in front of my lab because I thought the animal that we were dissecting was alive. So back in first year, we were finally getting to animal dissections, and we had to dissect a grasshopper. Now, this isn't those tiny little green things that we know. These were huge, and they were black, and they looked terrifying. And the way you have to do the dissection is you have to first identify all the parts before you cut in. So I was looking at like the mandible, maxillae, whatever the parts are, and as I was poking through them, my poking stick got stuck. And I, in that moment, was like, oh my god, this little grasshopper, like, caught my stick, it's alive. Obviously that's not the case, but I panicked and let out this blood-curdling scream, and everyone just stopped to stare at me. The TAs are looking at me, the prof is there that day, he's looking at me, and I'm just like, slowly getting back into work, like, oh, I'm good, everything's fine, we're good. And I was like, what the hell's wrong with me? What the hell's wrong with me? So yeah, remember, when you're dissecting, the thing is dead, okay? It's dead, it's not gonna grab your stick, you're gonna be fine. Unless you're dissecting in one of those countries where it actually is alive and they just kind of put it to sleep and you're cutting it open. Then yeah, it's alive. But be forewarned, do not do this. 0 to 10.